If you ever see a machine like this, don't try it. Just don't.
Why, bro? It looks harmless. I want to touch it.
I'll tell you why you should not touch it. But first, if you think this cat is cute, make sure to like and subscribe. If you don't, then I know you will, because all animal lover will love this cute cat. This disabled dog struggles through the streets alone. Every step, painful. Every day, uncertain. Ignored by hundreds of people who pass by without looking. He isn't asking for much, just a little kindness. A sign that he's not invisible. If you believe he deserves love and a chance to survive, leave a heart in the comment to show love to this dog, so he knows someone out there still cares. Then, let's go back to the video. She placed her hair into a strange machine that seems to craft the perfect style by itself. That's why.